Welcome to the coolest offices in Oslo. Let me take you on a tour. Going up, social zone. There we have both still and sparkling water. Coffee. I'm actually wanting some coffee now. Still figuring out where we have the cups because this is our new office, so I don't really know where the cups are. Here we go. Integrity, one of our values. Time for some coffee. ASMR. No, I can't do that. And if you ever want to play some chess, you can go the old-fashioned way with the board games. Kiwi, healthy snack, and some people even eat it with the skin on. I heard that's actually really healthy.
That's good.
Here we have some ping pong / ice hockey board where you can play. There's people working in there, I have to be quiet. This is our meeting room, or as you say in Norwegian, hvilerom.
Hvilerom means restroom in English, but it's not a toilet, it's a place where you can rest.
Can you see? And now I'm going to take it. Another little nap if you want, or you can see them work. It's really nice. We also have some books. For example, the fundamental algorithms, the art of computer programming. I'm not a tech person, but yeah, this is a graph. Next room. We had like a housewarming party here on Friday. So here we have another meeting room. Someone in there. Here we have I feel like I hear someone.
Isn't it dark?
No, it's empty. So here is a map of where people are from. This room is actually really nice. It has a really good view, and we have some pictures of our lovely employees. This is head of product, and this is Barbara. She's on, as you see, maternity leave. He is also on. He's working. This is like for thinking, the spot. And every office, I want to show you something. They have one of these chairs. I think it's good for your back and the posture. So yeah, good. Next room. So this is the. There's no one in there. Let's try to open it. Doesn't work. This is Trine and Felicia. They're working hard. Someone is in the meeting there.
A few moments later.
Going down. Lunch o'clock. Where's the beep the card? Snacks. Always remember to stay hydrated. And whenever you don't feel like eating in the canteen, you can check out this lovely street food. Escalator. Look at the view. Wow. What a lovely day. This is the holy grail. Gym o'clock. Gym time. Wardrobe, towels, lockers, sauna. Whew. Feel fresh now. Flowers to buy your boss. Going up. Oh, my ankle. This is the best part of everything. The sun is shining today. Oh. So nice. This is actually really nice. Going down. This is the heart of Via Vika.